Don't quit. You've come so far already. Look back at the beginning. See how much ground you've covered. It wasn't easy, right? But you did it. Every step you took brought you here. Don't stop now. Not when you've proven to yourself how strong you are. Remember that growth happens one step at a time. Your journey is not over. It's just getting tougher because you're moving closer to something great.